In this video, I'm going to be talking about Spectrum Mobile support for the Apple Watch. Apple Watch cellular plan support is now available. So guys, let's talk about it. Well, hey there guys. Welcome back to another episode on EB3 Tech. I am your host, Eddie Blotnicki III, and on this channel, we're typically talking tech. Today, guys, talking about Spectrum Mobile support for the cellular Apple Watch. I know this has been a long time coming, but I wanted to let you guys know that it is finally available. So, guys, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to dive on in and give you the details here. So I am at the Spectrum Mobile, the website here, and I've got a couple different tabs already loaded up. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to go to Bring Your Device, and links to everything, guys, of course, in the video's description here. So it says, bring your device, save your money. So you can bring your own Apple Watch if you already have a cellular Apple Watch, or you can go ahead and get one through Spectrum Mobile, and you can pay just low monthly payments, and I'll be getting into that in this video to dive on into that. So for right now, guys, we're going to go ahead, we're going to scroll down here, and Spectrum Mobile is actually running a promotion as of right now. You can bring your Apple Watch and get 3 months for free. So like I said, if you already have a cellular Apple Watch, you can bring that and you can get 3 months for free. And then after that, they're following along with all the other cell carriers, and they're charging $10 a month for that line access. And it's kind of nice, guys, because there are times where you just want to leave your phone at home, get up, go for a jog, not have to worry about carrying your phone around with you. You just want to be able to have a little bit more freedom, not be tied down to your phone, but still get your notifications, your text messages, make and receive calls, especially for those emergency situations. So it is really nice, guys, and this was honestly a long time coming. So in order to bring your Apple Watch to Spectrum Mobile, you will need a Series 3 or newer, an iPhone 6S or newer on an active Spectrum Mobile account, and an available line on your account. And you basically just use the Apple Watch app to pair and activate your service. All right, so don't have an Apple Watch, you can go ahead and shop now here. All right, so now we have that Apple Watch promo. We can go ahead and bring your own Apple Watch here and get the 3 months of free access to the Spectrum Mobile network. Or if you need an Apple Watch, guys, you can get the Series 6 here, the 44 millimeter, which is actually the one that I have. I have the blue one here, starting at $22 a month, which, if you round it up, 23. Or you can get the 40 millimeter, the Series 6, starting at, we'll round that up, $21. And this is 0% APR for 24 months. Or you can get the Apple Watch, the SE, which is a very good contender here, starting at just $15 a month. Or you can get the 40 millimeter Apple Watch SE, starting at just $14 a month. All right, so we're going to go ahead, we're going to click on this support here, and this basically just dives a little bit deeper onto the technical aspects here. So we're going to go to the Apple Watch, the activation here. So to go ahead and get this set up, guys, it couldn't have been any more simpler. I love the streamlined process. If you're an iPhone user, you can easily add your Apple Watch to your Spectrum Mobile service plan. You can purchase the Apple Watch through Spectrum Mobile, or bring your own device. And I won't go through everything here because it's a little bit more in depth. But like I said, this is linked in the video's description. Basically just is showing before you activate, you want to reset the Apple Watch if it's already been linked to another carrier before, and update the iPhone and Apple Watch to the most recent version of iOS. And here's the instructions here to pair and activate. And like I said, I'll leave this in the description for you guys. I don't need to go through all this here. Take some additional time we basically don't need. So I went through this already. And then here's the last tab, guys. So I wanted to actually show you here that it is really nice, and I have emphasized before, where there are times where you just want to leave your phone at home. You want to go out for a jog and not have to carry your phone with you. It's just, for even if you forgot your phone, there's been times where I forgot my phone, and it's just kind of nice to not have to worry. So anyways, I just wanted to go over the upcoming carriers that actually support the Apple Watch, and there's going to be more in the future for sure. But so far, guys, I have this linked in the video's description as well. So on the Apple website, it does say Spectrum. Anyway, guys, if you happen to enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you guys didn't enjoy this video, well, that other button seems to work okay too. Maybe you've come across my channel for the very first time. You were actually searching for the Spectrum Mobile, the Apple Watch support. Then I encourage you to go ahead and check out the rest of my channel. And if you like what you see, guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Tick the little notification bell to be notified of all my future videos. So anyway, guys, that's going to go ahead and do it for today's video. Stay tuned to the channel, guys. Much more exciting content. Guys, it is on the way soon. All right, guys. And until next time.